Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancies released by Housing and Urban Development Corporation Limited. So let's start the video. Friends, we have already covered this vacancy in our weekly jobs update, but still we feel that a separate video should also be made for this vacancy. So friends, Housing and Urban Development Company Limited, that is HUDCO, has released the recruitment notification for various posts covering different disciplines. In this video, we will cover only the finance discipline, and that too relevant for candidate without any experience. So here are multiple vacancy for senior level in finance discipline. As you can see, there is a vacancy for general manager, deputy general manager, assistant general manager. All these vacancies required higher number of experiences. So if you are eligible and want to apply for these posts, you can apply based on your experience. And if you see the second part of this recruitment notification, they have mentioned trainee officers in different discipline. Here there is a vacancy for trainee officer finance. It's a E1 grade vacancy. Pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. There are total 12 vacancies, out of which 4 vacancies are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. The upper age limit is 28 years. Here the qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA or MBA or PG diploma, 2 years full time with specialization in finance with minimum 60% marks or equivalent. So friends, here the 60% limit is for MBA or PG diploma candidate and not for CA or CMA. And here one more information, that graduation degree is not asked. So even if you are a CA or a CMA, you are eligible to apply. There is no need to be a graduate and CA. Only CA or CMA is asked. Now compensation package, apart from the basic pay, you will be paid all the benefits of the company such as HRA, perks and allowances. All those benefits will also be eligible to you as per the company rules and regulations. Qualification, we have already covered that you should be CA, CMA, MBA or PG diploma in finance with 60% marks. Work experience is not relevant for us. And for an age limit, as I already mentioned, the age limit, the cutoff date to ascertain the age limit will be 1st July 2024. So by this date you should meet the age criteria, then only eligible. So do keep this in mind. It's a backdated cutoff date for age. Now selection process for trainee officer. Here your selection will be based on computer based test and interview, and your computer based test will consist of 2 parts. First part will be specific domain related questions, that is your technical syllabus. 90 questions will be asked, total 90 marks will be allocated. And second part consists of non-technical. In that you will have general aptitude test, which comprises of English, reasoning, quantitative aptitude, general awareness questions. 15 questions from each part. So like this 60 questions will be asked. Total 150 questions will be there and 2 hours will be allocated to you. And we at Finance MCQ will help you to prepare your technical syllabus covering the 90 marks. And in case you wish to prepare for reasoning topic video lectures for this examination, you can check PSU exam prep website. There we are offering video lectures covering the entire reasoning topic relevant for your examination. And friends, your computer based test will also have a negative marking, that is 0.25. 1/4 will be the negative marking in case you answer wrong. And test will be conducted in 21 cities. All cities are mentioned here, so you can check them and select the centers which is closer to your location. And after your computer based test, you will be shortlisted for personal interview, and all the details regarding that will be uploaded by them on their website. And your final selection will be based on your written test. 80% weightage will be there, and for your personal interview 20% weightage will be there. And like this final merit list will be prepared, and on your selection you will be placed during 1 year training period, and successful completion you will be absorbed as an officer in the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 pay scale. Then there are general terms and conditions, how to fill this application form and all that. You can check them in detail and fill your application form. Now application fee, friends, you need to make an application fee of rupees 1,000. However, SC, ST, PWBD category candidate are exempt from making any application fee. How to apply? You have to apply through online mode only by visiting website of the company under career section, and other details are mentioned. You can check them. Now in case you are facing any issue, then you can contact them at their mentioned phone number during business hours. Now the important dates. So friends, your online application is already started from 27th July, and last date of submission of online application is 11th August 2024. So still you have 6 more days to fill up this application form. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you should definitely give it a try and fill this application form. So that's all in this video, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, then you should definitely give it a try and fill the application form. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.